No, that cannot be democracy. Sending Hindu back to Pakistan,
please.
I think that democracy I oppose.
Please, sir.
I don't support that
Please,
democracy.
sir. Sir, have you taken oath on the Constitution of India? Have you taken oath on the Constitution of India or not?
I have taken oath,
Good.
yes.
So now, if you have taken oath on the Constitution of India, please remember Article 14, right to equality. This country is not a Hindu country, number one, because if you have taken oath on the Constitution of India, please go and read the preamble, equality, fraternity, justice. Secondly, sir, you are violating your own Assam Accord. As a minister of Assam, you are expected to uphold the Assam Accord, which says 31st March 1979. What are you doing over here? You brought it, sir, let me complete, sir. 2014. Thirdly, why is it that you assume that only Hindus or Christians or Sikhs are being persecuted? Thirdly, sir, you are the minister, you should know that the policy of India so far has been any refugee which comes here must go back once the situation is normalized from the country where he has come. Fourthly, have you not called Muslims Jinnah or not? Sir, you have called, you said, I will not allow Jinnahs to win 17 assembly seats. That is why I say that your whole citizen amendment bill is unconstitutional. It violates Article 14, Article 21, and Article 19. In Supreme Court has clearly said it applies even to non-Indians. So, sir, please understand that what you're doing right here is you're doing what we call dog whistle politics, which is not going to help, which is going to create more friction. And lastly, why is it that your own allies are upset with you? The whole Northeast is upset with you. You know, this kind of saying that the Bengali Hindu is acceptable, but a Bengali Muslim is not acceptable. So all these arguments are completely wrong, Rajdeep, that this so-called population boom. You see, the 71 to 91 population boom, which with Hemanta Biswa always talks about, that same boom was witnessed in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan. Did you have all these people coming over there? And 51, sir, when was Bangladesh created? So please, what you're doing is not good for the nation.
Sir, just to interrupt, Supreme Court of India, I have taken oath and I must go by the verdict of Supreme Court of India also. Supreme Court of India has upheld that unabated immigration of Bangladeshi Muslim can be equivalent, amount to an internal aggression to our country. This is a verdict